Hey, it's your buddy Ken here in Nashville, Tennessee with Adam at the Fake Parthenon with this little number. It's the AIR 2S. Adam, what does the S stand for?
Super.
Nope. Sexy. Mwah. This is absolutely awesome and I love it, love it, love it, love it. Can you tell that I like it?
Yeah.
We're going to compare it to the AIR 2 without the S, and we're going to hopefully answer the question, should you upgrade? These are both great drones. This one kind of looks like a Porsche a little bit because of the headlights. What do you think, Adam?
Yeah, I mean, that's weird to me, the 4 sensors, because I'm not used to it. You know, I've seen Mavics have been, since the original Mavic, have only had 2, they look like they have 2 eyes, and they just added the weird alien eyes, is what it looks like to me.
So this has 2 more of something that you definitely need, because this one only has 2, and well, we can't live with that, can we?
4 is definitely more than 2.
Oh yeah. Very quickly explain the difference in Ocusync between these two as you understand it.
Sure, yeah. So this has Ocusync 2.0, which is DJI's second version of Ocusync, and they've moved it up to, they call it 03 now. They've dropped the Ocusync, but it's basically Ocusync 3.0. It's basically, from what I understand, a more powerful transmission, use a little bit wider band. The old one has the Ocusync 2.0. It has a lower band.
Okay.
So that you don't get as much penetration, as much transmission quality in this one as you do in this one.
As much what?
Transmission penetration.
First, we're going to test the AIR 2, and he's going to go to the opposite corner of the Parthenon, and we're going to fly it around, maintaining VLOS at all times.
Yes.
This test wasn't really necessary, as we both knew that the signal link would be pretty good all the way around the building. However, I wanted to see how much signal loss we had as we penetrated the Parthenon. Since the older Ocusync made it around the building no problem, do we even need to bother to test the new Ocusync?
I mean, it's obviously going to make it around the building no problem. Did you have any drop in the RC link?
Or anything like that? Any drop frame?
No, it was flawless, except when I crashed your drone into the pillar.
Oh, well, you know, I don't think Ocusync would have saved that.
What are the major differences?
The biggest difference you'll notice is the camera, obviously. You get a 1-inch sensor versus the 1/2-inch sensor. So those that do a lot of editing, photo, color grading and stuff, will notice a big difference in the capability of the camera.
Okay.
You obviously have the extra sensors in it, which allows it to do better active track, so when it's tracking something, and better obstacle avoidance. So if you're flying around trees or obstacles, it has, it obviously can see better out of the top when it's pitched forward.
All right.
Those are the biggest differences between the AIR 2 and the AIR 2S.
Would this active track be able to follow that one?
We can find out. Get me in frame, and then just draw a box, and it should automatically figure out what's going on.
So draw a box, skip the little tutorial thing, hit active track. Unable to switch subjects. Function only supports following a subject such as people and vehicles. That is a vehicle.
I think it just wants cars.
It knows that it's
It knows that it's not a car.
How does it know that it's not a car or a person? That is crazy. All right, maybe we can trick it somehow. Ooh, my drone looks like a Porsche. Do you think your drone will think it's a car?
I don't think so.
Stupid. All right, let me get above you. Maybe like this. Okay? Draw a box. Skip. Active track. Oh, it's not letting me.
What if you,
You want to race?
Sure.
All right. Take off, see how fast you can go.
All right.
You putting it in sport mode?
I put it in sport mode.
All right. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you gave up.
Yeah.
How fast did you get?
I got up to 37.
Oh, that was cool. All right. Turbo. Ooh, I got 40, like 43 or something.
Okay.
Well, I guess the only thing left to test here would be the obstacle avoidance. And to make it fun, I think we should fly right into the statue and see if it stops.
Yeah.
All right, you go first.
No, you go first.
Ah, you go ahead.
No, you go first.
Oh, you're my guest, I insist.
Yeah, but you've got more eyes.
Yeah. So to make sure your obstacle avoidance is on, you go into the safety part here. We'll try one slow. Slow at first, okay? I'll just go right at it. Oh, it went around it. Why did it do that? I don't have it set to around. I'm trying to hit it.
Try and hit it.
All right, now let's back it up and give her the works.
This is scary.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it does take a minute for the thing to break.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
I mean, B-R-A-K-E, not B-R-E-A-K. Let's hope it doesn't
Let's hope it
B-R-E-A-K.
doesn't actually break.
All right, here we go. Okay. No, it did well.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna give it the beans. This is one time when I like the drone to think for me.
Yeah.
All right, whoever you are, I'm coming for you. And it saved the drone.
Right.
All right. So yours doesn't do that?
It does, it's just not as effective.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Like, because when mine's tilted down, when it's moving forward, it doesn't have the sensors that are angled up that'll tilt forward.
So yours has an increased chance of crashing?
Exactly.
Now your turn.
All right.
Head at it. See what happens.
All right. I am in brake mode right now, so
Brake mode, all right.
let's go. Let's see what goes on here.
Did you do that?
Well, I mean, I'm pushing the stick, and it's stopping. I'm getting the haptic feedback, so.
Okay,
Yep.
well that's good.
Yeah, I've got full stick up
That's
right now.
good. All right. Now back it up, give it the beans.
All righty.
Hit his head, hit him right in the face. Yeah.
Yep, nope, it stopped.
Well, do we need the extra two things?
I guess
Works pretty well. All right. Well,
Hey.
the non-S version is pretty good as well.
Yeah.
Should people upgrade?
No, unless you really need the 1-inch sensor and you're doing a lot of post-editing, post-production, I don't think you should really spend the extra money to upgrade, in my opinion.
Yeah,
You know?
don't worry about it. If you haven't bought a drone before, it's going to be your first drone. Excellent choice. Either one of these is an excellent choice. This costs about $1,000. How much are these going for now?
I think 900 for the FlyMore, and I think 700.
Oh, so you get all the extra batteries and everything?
Yeah, all the extra batteries.
This non-FlyMore, just the drone and the controller, $1,000. So you can probably get a better deal on this. Of course, links in the description for everything.
Yeah.
If you're a newbie and you think you're going to land hard or crash or run into things, maybe this shouldn't be your first drone. Maybe you can spend less than half of this on a Phantom with the legs, because the legs are kind of like a protective cage for the camera. This, if you land hard or bump into a tree or something, this is pretty exposed as far as the camera goes. Would you agree?
I would agree.
And if you want a hand catch, nothing beats a Phantom. Oh, there's something else that they improved upon, isn't there?
Yeah, you had talked about wrecking it and damaging it. One thing they did upgrade, if you notice on the Mavic Air 2, the gimbal is plastic.
Oh.
And I've actually broken this plastic gimbal arm twice already on mine.
And look at this.
They've upgraded it to a metal alloy.
That's cool.
Which is a little bit more durable, so hopefully that won't be such a break point for crashes.
Before we left Nashville and the sun was setting, we decided to go downtown by the AT&T building, aka the Bat building, and send both drones up and do a low light test. And as luck would have it, just as Adam's Air 2 was reaching the top of the building, the lights turned on. The Air 2S was recording in 5K, and the Air 2 was in 4K, scaled up to 5K. Both of us were hovering up here at the very tippy top of the building, pointed at Nissan Stadium, and we started to yaw at the same time to give you a view of the city in 360.
that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And remember, when you do subscribe, please hit that bell.
Hey!
Until next time, buh.
And bye.
Hello, friends. My favorite bit of Lume Cube gear is the Lume Cube Strobe. Put one on your drone so that you can fly at night to keep that visibility. Stay legal. Get you a Lume Cube Strobe. And the best part about the Lume Cube Strobe, not only is it bright, but it's delicious. Yummy nummy. Link in the description. Oh, that's better. Pardon me, ma'am. I couldn't help but notice your legs are closed. Mind if I open them up a little bit? Where you going, bud? Where you going, man? This got weird.